Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are given a direct proportion question here. And it is very important to note this though. Square of x means x squared. Yeah? And we also have the y down there. That means in my mind, this is the starting point already. Alright? So the starting point would then be y is equal to k, some number that we need to find out, times x squared. And we also given the value of y and the value of x, which will help us to find this value of k. Because this will be k times 3 bracket square. And from here, we could then continue to work on this question already. Yeah. So from here onwards, you will then see Mr. Tan writing 12 is equals to 3 square. 3 times 3. What number is that? Yes, 9. And 9 times k is k. 9k. I will have to divide by 9 on both sides, such that I'm left with k here, and this one will be 4 over 3. And therefore, the equation connecting x and y equals to 4 over 3 times x squared. And that will be the answer. Okay? And once I know this answer, we could easily find this. Find the values of x. When y is 300, that means now my y is 300. So 300 is equal to 4 over 3 x squared. So I'm going to multiply by 3 on both sides, so that I can divide off the 3 such that there is no more denominator. I still have my 4 times x squared here. I'm going to divide by 4 on both sides, so that I'm only left with x squared. And 900 divided by 4 will be equals to 225. And because they want the values of x, they don't want the x squared. So therefore, the next step would then be for us to square root it. And that will give us 15. But look at this. Values. Please remember, every time we square root, it's either a positive or a negative number. So in this case, it's either a positive 15 or a negative 15. With that, we have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.